Hi! Good day. My name is Emmeline from the beautiful country of the Philippines. I hold a degree of elementary education. More than that, I hold also 120-hour certificate of teaching English as a foreign language, which means I am qualified to teach kids, young, teens, and adults. I had been teaching experience face to face during my internship. I truly love helping with your grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and simple conversation. I'm here to help. I'll support you in improving your grammar, correcting pronunciation, and building strong communication skills through practice and giving a feedback. This will help enhance your learning. In my class, mistakes are okay because it's part of our learning, and I use different rewards to make my students motivated. If you're interested, please check my calendar and book a lesson so we can discuss your goals soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.